test number 1 of Rode Wireless Go. We've got the main camera up here that it's going into, showing how far I'm going down the bottom of the garden. And this is just so you can follow me. I want to sync them up. Let's go. No, not today. Okay, I'm outside the side of my house, so I don't know if the mic is picking me up at all right now. Okay, now you should be able to see me on the main cam. It's a bit harder to do this same way I did before in the previous test I did with my wireless kit, because now you can't see me because of all the leaves on you. Is it? But yeah, so it was down here now. So couldn't quite get me. Right, now you be able to see me on the main camera a little bit. Yeah, down to the so I was like right in line of sight of them. So now I'm gonna walk around the garden a bit, just to see if they still picking me up. So right now, yeah, see, I'm at the very bottom of the garden now, and right now there's loads of trees between me and the main camera, not to mention there's actually a window and walls and whatever between those. So keep on walking. Don't know if anyone can hear me now. I don't know how far this is now. This is probably well over 100 foot at least. I'm walking around, tap myself in this corner here, which is right out of view. I don't know if it'll pick me up now as well. Test 1 2, test 1 2, as they say. Yeah, I'm gonna walk back now and just in case it's not picking me up at all. Right, you should be able to see me again now. Oh god, it's slippery. Very slippery in the wet. Yeah, just try and keep talking while I'm walking up. Test 1 2, test 1 2. I'm to the side of the house again now, so fold the brick walls between me and the receiver, and going back in now. And we're back upstairs. Okay, that concludes the test. Let's see how we did.